Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make creamy gandu chicken. So I got chicken here, we got the seasoning, white onions, capsicum, we got whipping cream, parsley, olive oil. We're just going to use crushed garlic. Oh, yeah, crushed garlic.
Because we like it so much.
Yeah. We got celery. Yeah.
And that's it.
That's it.
Oh, cheese.
Oh, and the cheese.
Yeah. So it's parmesan, but we're going to use Edam.
I'm going to open it.
Just sprinkle some, yeah.
Like that?
Yep.
Or some more?
No, that should be enough because I don't want to make it too hot. Because that's what it says.
No, it's not that hot.
It says 2 tablespoons, so that should be enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've got chicken in here. So I cleaned the chicken, so we're going to put the chicken pieces in here.
Yeah, the chicken, and just cover it. Yeah, okay, we'll just put it back into there.
Mm-hmm.
And then
I'll do the other piece.
do the other piece and then turn it, just gotta cook it.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So we're going to get the oil.
Sleeping spot.
Yep, of course. Oh, use all of it.
Yeah, might as well heat it up.
Yeah, hold up. I just got to...
You turned it on?
We're just going to wait for this light to go off. And then we can just put the chicken in here.
Yeah.
It's all... Okay. I'm going to put the chicken in.
Okay, then put the lid on and do it. Oops. I'll time it for 4 minutes on each side.
I've just got to show them the... So it's...
4 minutes.
So we're gonna put it on 4 minutes. So hey, Peter. Right. So another 4 minutes?
Yes. Oh, shit. Or maybe 3. Oh, yeah, that's all right, don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Might be.
Put it, well, you can put it in,
In here?
yeah, or that one, it doesn't really matter, you want to put it in that one.
Mm-hmm.
So you've got it on. Right.
Yeah, alright.
Here. that aside. I'm going to show them what it looks like. Yeah. Rice.
Yep.
Or you can put on the whole one, but whatever you want. Half. You take all the skin off, and you can cut it just in half if it says half. That's up to you if you want to use a whole onion. If you
You'll have a job in the car
yeah.
and go to sleep in there.
Have you got the noise? Giving your car a good old sniff over.
Huh?
It's giving your car a sniff over. Okay, so just cut it in half if you. What do you want? You want, because it says half an onion. You want to use half an onion?
That's what you want, Mum.
Oh, I don't mind. Not really half. No, use this because it's got a bit of. This one tape.
What? No, it's the onions that make me want to cry.
Well, you want me to cut them, or you want? Oh, you're doing that. So put. You're right. Can you do it, or you're making your eyes too sore? You might have jumped in, Veronica.
Oh well. I want you to do it.
Okay. There's eyes in me.
No.
Oh, I heard that.
Oops.
Are you taping?
Yeah. That was on camera.
Oh, well. Okay, so cut it in half. Yeah, that good girl, yep.
Who rang?
Oh, 9 a.m. Oh, okay.
Who?
I got a mask fitting.
Well, that's probably what they rang you for.
No, it's pants.
Oh. Again? Should I cut this one?
Well, if you want to, chop it. You may as well if you want.
Get rid of it.
Yeah. Okay, so now that's good.
On Monday?
Yeah.
So she needs to Should I put the green onions with the
Yes.
with the onions? Fuck. Yep, what else?
Hang on.
What's up? Oops.
Oh, that one nearly got away.
Tell you what. And E2.
Yeah, put that in there. Okay, now you've got to to heat the oil again. Put some oil in for 3 minutes.
What?
And put it in, turn it around. Yeah, there's only oxes in these.
Ow!
Put it on.
I'm just mixing it.
There's only oxes in these. Kneading with the meat.
Okay. Greedy. So,
Okay, here we go. Here.
got
Okay, right, yep. Is that all cooked?
yep,
Okay, add 2 teaspoons of garlic if you want.
2 teaspoons.
Yep.
Okay. Oh. Jeez, my nose. So 1.
Yep. Okay. Okay, we'll start it, give it a stir, and we'll put the lid on and turn it. Give it a...
Yep.
We'll put the lid on and let it cook it for a minute.
The chicken cream. And get a spoon.
And just, yep. And you need some grated cheese. Okay, and another one, and your grated cheese.
Is that like, oh no.
And grated cheese. Okay, stir that in. Wooden spatula.
Oh, to stir it in.
You want to stir it in with silver with a spoon, okay? And now you need, while you're doing that, grate your you need grate cheese. Yeah. Just stir that in and get your grated cheese and stir it in as well.
Yep. Just leave that.
Put the lid on and grate some cheese.
Cheese. So we're gonna grate it. How much we need?
1/4 cup, so just put a...
It's easy around.
No.
Happy enough?
Yeah, it should be. Yeah. You put it in and the chicken.
So we're gonna add the chicken now. Woohoo! We're gonna add the chicken now. Chicken, blah blah blah.
Oh, ease around some cheese.
Oh, there's 2 cheeses.
Yeah, and the cheese is on the cheese.
Yep.
You let it simmer for 5 minutes and then it's done. Yes, it does. Okay, it does go in the fridge, Veronica.
Yeah, I put it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, you might forget again. Mm. Thank you for watching how to make cream J chicken. I will put the recipe link down below. Let's go, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.